I forgot to turn the camera back on. I think it's all I did was reseat it and put a block in there. It's not even a minute later. But, like I said, it takes more time playing with this camera than sawing a log. Bring it over here because then you won't be in the way. And I'm not really trying to go fast either. I used to have ones with runners in there that would fit in there and they wouldn't slide off. These slide off from time to time. Every now and then you'll see one of those that had the runners in there. That's kind of what I thought it would do. And I don't have my block in there, which I probably should, or my strap on there, trying to get away with it without using it. Sometimes you try to be sneaky. And I should have the carriage down a little bit further down this way. But I don't. I don't feel like walking all the way back around or climbing all over that stuff. Yeah, I guess a lot of people, yeah, you're goofy for doing this, you're goofy for doing that. And maybe some of the people out there that say I'm goofy for doing this, doing that, are the same ones that go to a gym. They pay money to go to a gym. Not sure. Just saying. That almost went off. You guys didn't really catch that part of that. The old log is pretty uneven right now. Oh, let's see. I got a knot there that I don't contend with. Now I should just take a whack at it like this. I do that from time to time. Maybe I will. Maybe I will. Once you get this level, maybe I will then get the slab off of there. I think it's still rocking back. Yeah, I think I'll do that. Of course, then I got to set the tapers and set all that crap. Let me see what it takes to roll it. I don't think it's going to roll yet. I don't know why that didn't. Ooh, guess it had more pressure than I thought. Round logs roll. Flat ones don't. Now here's where I could use some help. Here's where I could use some help. This one's not up high enough. Well, they ought to put, well, let's see what we can do here. No, we ain't doing. Well, I could go back. Uh-oh, both my chocks fell out. Both the chocks fell out. All right, let's bring it in again. I'll tell you what I'm gonna do. You guys ain't gonna particularly like it. Well, I might be able to, if you can get it over center. Nah, I just don't feel like it. I'm just gonna jack it up there. Sometimes it's not that hard. I could turn it by hand, but I can't keep control of the turn and the it's not, I don't even have a handle on this. That's how easy it's turning, but I can't work the cant hook and push those little chocks in. Oh, I'm out of jack. Let's see where we're at here. Oh man, I only needed a hair. I needed one more. Now it came in. I'm all right with that. Up against the L's or head blocks or whatever you want to call them things. Frick calls them L's. Some people call them knees. Maybe some people call them elbows, I don't know. If you're not familiar with what I'm looking for here, what I'm looking for is that's flat. That's flat against the L or knee or whatever you want to call it. That's all I'm looking for. We got 7 minutes in it. Did it just take 7 minutes to turn that? And it would have taken like, maybe, you can take a couple minutes off if I wasn't videoing. But that's the way it is. I'll put you in here. Maybe we'll take another slice. Then you got to find the little rut in here. I just got to take that jack out of there and that. That's still got a lot of pressure on it. We're going to downsize it quick. All right, let's see what we got in measurement size. Can't really see it here. Yeah, you can. We're looking at 17. I'm gonna take it at 16 and a half. So we'll pull up here to 16 and a half. You know, I'm gonna take 17, and I usually take heavier slabs. 17, and maybe I can get a few cuts off of this one. And what time is it now? It's 5 after 6 if you're watching the clock. It's 5 after 6. I don't know if you can zoom in on that. Zoom. I don't know. I showed it when we started. It's getting kind of dark. For you guys, it's not for me. We're going to cut that and maybe take a couple boards. In the right spot. Yeah, it looks pretty good. I gotta set the taper in the front again. That's got a little bit of, I guess they're calling that Wayne. I'm not sure if that's the right name for it. Sticky wood. That's why I don't normally wear gloves. But the sticky wood, I got tired of getting so much stuff on my hands. Got some trims over there. I'll saw that up later. I got a lot of this stuff here, but it's dinner time. What time is it now? It is not quite 20 after. So I don't know how long I've been working on this log, but I'll tell you what. That crash where the log went down into the pit over there didn't bother me as much as the crash where the camera went over and I lost the video. Because I can handle the crash with the log, but I can't handle the video part. That was a loss. A loss of a lot. That crash was just a loss of time. It didn't take, what, maybe 5 minutes? So if you're going to leave a suggestion, why don't you go get a piece of equipment? I couldn't get a piece of equipment, hook on the attachment I need for it, because you're not going to come in here with forks. You can't get in here with forks. I got to come in with a pterodactyl to pick that up. And you can't move the carriage out of the way. You can't do anything. Then you're at the end of a, okay, I'd be way at the end of the, I'll show you where I'll be. Now I could bring the crane truck in, but the crane truck, I don't know if you saw it, was loaded with logs, so that isn't going to come back here. That's loaded with logs to go down to Jeffrey's mill. But so I'd be back here, think about this now. I'd be back in this area in the skid steer doing something all the way up there without a spotter. That's how you hurt stuff. And like I said, it only took maybe 5 minutes, 10 minutes max. So that suggestion just don't work. So we'll see you later. Do me a favor, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and make the views go up so I have more of whatever, so I don't shut this place down. We'll see you. Bye-bye. Dinner time, that's what it is. Here we are down at Jeffrey's trying to unload a couple logs. I think it's gonna be a boom. Man, I'll tell you what, talking about feeling the earth move under your feet. I know the sun's got you. Can't do much about it. Yes, feel the earth move under your feet. Now I gotta clean all this mess up. Go get another two. Just kind of what's going on today. That's gonna make some nice, it's supposed to be making 2x10s and 2x12s, 2x4s, 2x something or other. We'll see you later. Bye. Jeffrey's got another load of logs in. These don't look that big, but to give you an idea, here's my hand. Here's my, I don't know if this will show up or not. This is about how tall they are. Rick, this is for you, buddy. I know you like these big ones. The old big splitter down there, make mincemeat of them. So we'll bring you along when we're doing this, I hope. You got more logs back there, more junk over here, a bunch of cut up over here. He needs another pile the size of that pile up there to make it through the winter. There's a bunch of logs over there also. So when it comes to getting this stuff up, we'll probably bring you along. We'll see you in a bit. Bye-bye. Well, I don't have you on a tripod. You got the shaky old man holding the camera. Worked on this thing last night till about 2 o'clock in the morning. If it's the night after I did that. I've got the suction line coming up. These are just electromatic lines. Suction line coming up here, going in there. Here's the bypass, here's the out, there's the pressure gauge. I think it's all bolted in too, as a matter of fact. Yeah, I bolted it in. I even tightened those bolts. Holy cow. So we are going to get that beast, put it underneath that pallet, pick it up and carry it down to where the generator is down to Sawmill and see if it's going to work. I got to go get some oil and I'm going to prime this. I don't see any point in running the pump that dry. I don't know whether I like that strainer on there or not, but I'm going to give it a go. So that's where we're at. So that's what's going on right now. We'll see you back in a little bit. Bye-bye. Well, not too successful. You can hear it running, or you can hear the generator running. You might be able to see that spinning. Probably can hear it running. But we ain't got poop coming out the line over there. Now I pulled this here and used the oil pump to kind of prime it. It just had to go uphill a little bit. Didn't seem to want to prime it. I might pull that side and try priming it on that side, but it's dinner time and it's getting late. And not real happy, but it's coming along slowly. Daggone it. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 racks ready to get wasted with oil. All right, we'll catch you back in a little bit. Bye-bye.